So, you want to learn the guitar. You hit up YouTube and you spend hours and hours watching videos that teach you how to do so. But you never actually pick the instrument up. How well do you think you're going to play? Very well, because YouTube is amazing. Oh, no, not very well, because in order to learn the guitar, you have to play it. It's called experiential learning, and it's how us humans love to learn, no matter if it's the guitar, or a language, or marketing. That's why it's important to make videos actionable. Actionable videos give your viewers tasks to try out or copy, thus helping them learn faster. This is why it's one of our 3 cornerstones to making the best YouTube videos going. When someone practices what you preach, they'll value you more, watch more of your videos, watch those videos for longer, and share your content about online. Giving your viewers a ton of theory is all well and good, but we don't want to assume they'll know how to put it into practice, or do it without a nudge. When making your help videos, think to yourself, what tasks can I give my viewer which will help them learn about exactly what I've been teaching? In fact, why not write down 3 video titles right now you're thinking of making and give each one a simple task to follow, which you'll include in the video. If you're in marketing, that could be to contact 3 clients and ask them for feedback. If you're in recruitment, it could be to get your viewers to jot down all the features of an amazing candidate. Or if you're a gaming channel, it could simply be to hunt out an Easter egg, whatever that is. Asking people to do this and providing support around it will give them the push they need to not only learn from your videos, but get a result. I mean, they're watching your video, so there's no time like the present, right? Actionable videos are one of the 3 best ways to make content for YouTube. If you want to learn the other 2, then watch this video here to learn about how to make them more informative, and this video to learn how to make them more entertaining. Don't forget to subscribe and join this channel growing adventure. Oh, and by the way, asking someone to subscribe is not actionable, but it's always advised, so click it.